In South Africa, Indian government offices, schools and cultural institutions across the country hosted seminars, poetry recitals and competitions to highlight the importance of Hindi in uniting diverse communities. Leaders and educators called for strengthening the use of Hindi in administration, technology and education, while also valuing India's rich linguistic diversity. Nazneen Ismail has filed this report.
The High Commission of India in South Africa hosted a vibrant celebration of Hindi Divas, reaffirming the importance of Hindi as a language of culture, unity and identity.
Hindi Divas is an important day in India's national calendar. It is the day to commemorate the importance of use of Hindi in India's official language. It is also the day to promote Hindi through literature, drama, theatre and cinema, as a part of our effort to promote the cultural and linguistic diversity of our country's heritage. Hindi is spoken not only in India, but it is quite popular in many countries around the world and is one of the 9 working languages of the United Nations.
The event brought together members of the Indian diaspora, local community representatives, academics and cultural enthusiasts.
खार है पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो ये हूँ मैं मीरा प्रेम और भक्ति का रूप मैं हूँ बिहारी लाल और मैं कहना चाहूँगा अपने दोहे में बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर पंटी को छाया नहीं फल लगे अति दूर
हूँ कृष्णा सोपती मेरा दोहा आज भी याद है मेरा दोहा आज भी याद है जिंदगी के रंग और नारी के अस्तित्व को समझना ही मेरा उपन्यासों का सार है ये हूँ मैं सोपती
मैं हूँ मिर्जा गालिब इश्क और शायरी दोनों में माहिर कहते हैं इश्क पर जोर नहीं है ये वो आतिश गालिब और आज मैं कहना चाहूँगा अपने लफ्जों में हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश से दम निकले ये हूँ मैं गालिब जहाँ शायरी जिंदा है वह मैं हूँ.
Ms. Banu Prakash, Deputy High Commissioner of India, felicitated educators in recognition of their tireless efforts to promote this beautiful language, as well as the winners and participants of the Hindi essay and poetry competition. The program featured Hindi poetry recitals, songs and speeches, alongside reflections on the role of Hindi in strengthening ties between India and South Africa.
आप सभी लोग प्रतिवर्ष हिंदी दिवस के कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित हों और हिंदी का प्रचार प्रसार में योगदान दें. सभी को हिंदी दिवस की शुभकामनाएं. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय हिंदी, जय हिंदुस्तान.
Very good participation from all age groups, from kids to adults and everyone, with so much enthusiasm, and we are happy to see that the cultural handover is happening to the next generation from the previous generation of diaspora. Thank you, Nazneen.
From Pretoria to Patna, Hindi Divas in South Africa lit a lamp of language glowing with pride, unity and timeless connection. For DD India, South Africa, I'm Nazneen.